खत्म होने के बाद कोई वहां से हिलने का नाम नहीं ले रहा था।
Nobody was budging off after the party was over. Nobody was budging off after the party was over.
आंटी सब्जी वाले को आवाज लगा रही थी।
Auntie was calling the vegetable vendor. Auntie was calling the vegetable vendor.
बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे।
Kids were playing in the park. Kids were playing in the park.
वो ट्रेन के पीछे भाग रहा था।
He was running after the train. He was running after the train. मेघा नाच रही थी और प्रिया वीडियो बना रही थी। मेघा was dancing and Priya was making the video.
हम भी दिल्ली शिफ्ट होने का सोच रहे थे।
We were also planning to shift to Delhi. We were also planning to shift to Delhi.
बच्चा चुपचाप सो रहा था जब घंटी बजी।
The baby was sleeping quietly when the bell rang. The baby was sleeping quietly when the bell rang.
वो दरवाजे के पीछे खड़े होके सबको डरा रहा था।
He was scaring everybody by standing behind the door. He was scaring everybody by standing behind the door.
मैं तो तुम्हें कब से बोल रहा था कि वो शाही लड़की नहीं है, सही लड़की नहीं है।
I was telling you since long that she is not the right girl. I was telling you since long that the girl not right.
जब बॉस ऑफिस में आया तब साहिल सबसे गप्पे मार रहा था।
When the boss entered, Sahil was gossiping with everyone.
राहुल प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में खड़ा था।
Rahul was standing in principal's office.
वो मुझसे माफी मांग रहा था।
He was apologizing to me. He was apologizing to me.
पिछली दिवाली में अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहा।
Last Diwali, I was preparing for my exams. Last Diwali, I was preparing for my exams.
कल रात कोई तुम्हारा दरवाजा खटखटा रहा था।
Last night, someone was knocking at your door. Last night, someone was knocking at your door.
जब लाइट गई तब मैं कपिल का शो देख रहा था।
When the power went out, I was watching Kapil show. When the power went out, I was watching Kapil show.
पिछले हफ्ते मेरे काम इकट्ठे होते जा रहे थे।
Last week, my work was piling up. Last week, my work was piling up.
मैं चेतन
कैंटीन में लंच कर रहा था. I was having lunch in the canteen. I was having lunch in the canteen.
वो मुझे पंगा लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
He was trying to mess with me. He was trying to mess with me.
वो मुझे धमका रहा था।
He was threatening me. He was threatening me.
वो मुझे उकसा रहा था।
He was provoking me. He was provoking me.
वो मुझे चोट पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
He was trying to hurt me. He was trying to hurt me.
वो मुझे प्रोत्साहन दे रहा था।
He was encouraging me. He was encouraging me.
वो मुझे बदला ले रहा था। वो मुझसे बदला ले रहे थे।
They were taking revenge from me. They were taking revenge from me.
वो मुझे
नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. They were trying to demean me. They were trying to demean me.
मैं उनकी बढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was praising them. I was praising them.
मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था.
I was having bhelpuri. I was having bhelpuri.
हर कोई कपिल के जोक पर हंस रहा था.
Everyone was laughing at Kapil's joke. Everyone was laughing at Kapil's joke.
मैं उसको उल्लू बना रहा था.
I was fooling him. I was fooling him.
वो मेरी जान के पीछे पड़ रहा था.
He was getting after my life. He was getting after my life.
मैं उसे अकेला नहीं छोड़ रहा था.
I was not leaving him alone. I was not leaving him alone.
वो मुझे नजर अंदाज कर रही थी.
She was ignoring me. She was ignoring me.
वो बहुत शहानी बन रही थी.
She was acting very clever. She was acting very clever.
वो सब देख रही थी.
She was observing everything. She was observing everything.
मुफ्त का खाना मिलने पर सब एक दूसरे पर गिरते जा रहे थे.
On getting free food, everyone was falling on one another.
बस के लेट आने पर हर कोई ड्राइवर के बारे में खरी खोटी सुना रहा था.
On the bus being late, everybody was creeping about the driver.
आरव डॉगी की नकल उतार रहा था.
Arav was mimicking a dog. Arav was mimicking a dog.
वो सारा इल्ज़ाम खुद पर ले रहा था.
He was taking the entire blame on him. He was taking the entire blame on him.
वो तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा था.
He was waiting for you. He was waiting for you.
वो लगातार बातें कर रहा था.
He was constantly talking. He was constantly talking.
मैं पार्क में घूम रहा था जब वो आया.
I was strolling in the park when he came. I was strolling in the park when he came.
वह उसे चिढ़ा रही थी.
She was teasing him. She was teasing him.
वह दिवाली के लिए अपना घर सजा रही थी.
They were decorating their house for Diwali. They were decorating their house for Diwali.
जब तुमने कॉल किया तब मैं सो नहीं रही थी.
I wasn't sleeping when you called. I wasn't sleeping when you called.
उसे कोई दवाई नहीं लग रही थी.
No medicine was working for him. No medicine was working for him.
वह किचन में किसी का हाथ नहीं बटा रही थी.
She was not helping anyone in the kitchen. She was not helping anyone in the kitchen.
उसे लगा मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा.
He thought I was not noticing. He thought I was not noticing.
मैं किसी को धमका नहीं रहा था.
I was not threatening anyone. I was not threatening anyone.
मैं यह नहीं
कह रहा था. I was not saying this. I was not saying this.
मैं मैसेज ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ रहा था.
I was not reading the messages carefully. I was not reading the messages carefully.
वह बड़ा चढ़ाकर नहीं बता रहा था.
He was not exaggerating. He was not exaggerating.
वह किसी की नहीं सुन रहा था.
He was not listening to anyone. He was not listening to anyone.
तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें गैस बंद करने को कहा.
You were not listening to me when I told you to turn off the gas.
वह कोई उम्मीद नहीं कर रहे थे.
They were not expecting anything. They were not expecting anything.
वह उसे डरा नहीं रहा था.
He was not frightening him. He was not frightening him.
वह उसे गुस्सा नहीं दिला रहा था.
He was not making him angry. He was not making him angry.
आरती ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी जब बॉस ने उसे बुलाया.
Aarti was not paying attention when the boss called her. Aarti was not paying attention when the boss called her.
वो चिल्ला नहीं रहे थे.
They were not yelling. They were not yelling.
तुम ध्यान से गाड़ी नहीं चला रहे थे.
You were not driving carefully. You were not driving carefully.
कुत्ता तुम्हारी तरफ नहीं दौड़ रहा था.
The dog was not running towards you. The dog was not running towards you.
मैं तुम पर नहीं चिल्ला रहा था.
I was not screaming at you. I was not screaming at you.
मैं तुम्हारी तरफ इशारा नहीं कर रहा था.
I was not pointing at you. I was not pointing at you.
वह माफी नहीं मांग रहा था.
He was not apologizing. He was not apologizing.
वह उसे माफ नहीं कर रहा था.
He was not forgiving him. He was not forgiving him.
मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहा था.
I was not saying just like that. I was not saying just like that.
गाना मैं नहीं गा रहा था बल्कि रोहित गा रहा था.
I was not the one who was singing. Rather it was Rohit. I was not the one who was singing. Rather it was Rohit.
वो जॉब के लिए सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ था.
He was not selected for the job. He was not selected for the job.
वह आखिर तक हार नहीं मान रहा था.
He was not giving up till the end. He was not giving up till the end.
मैं जल्दी में काम नहीं कर रहा था.
I was not rushing with my work. I was not rushing with my work.
कल पता है वो क्या बोल रहा था?
Do you know what he was saying yesterday? Do you know what he was saying yesterday?
क्या वह अच्छा बनने का नाटक कर रहा था?
Was he pretending to be a nice person? Was he pretending to be a nice person?
कौन चिल्ला रहा था?
Who was yelling? Who was yelling?
क्या तुम भी वही गाना सुन रहे थे?
Were you also listening to the same song? Were you also listening to the same song?
क्या तुम भी उसी मॉल से शॉपिंग कर रहे थे?
Were you also shopping from the same mall? Were you also shopping from the same mall?
क्या कल भी उसने वही कपड़े पहने हुए थे?
Was he wearing the same clothes yesterday? Was he wearing the same clothes yesterday?
तुम्हें किसका कॉल आ रहा था?
Who was calling you? Who was calling you?
तुम कल कहीं जा नहीं रहे थे?
Were you not going somewhere yesterday? Were you not going somewhere yesterday?
कौन इतना
बेसुरा गा रहा था? Who was singing so tunelessly? Who was singing so tunelessly?
क्या कोई मुझे नाम से बुला रहा था?
Was somebody calling my name? Was somebody calling my name?
वो
कहना क्या चाह रहा था? What was he trying to say? What was he trying to say?